In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Notion. A dashboard is your command center, a single page where you can see your tasks, goals, calendar, notes, and projects at a glance. By the end, you'll have a clean, personalized hub that saves time and keeps you focused. Start by creating a new page in your Notion workspace and name it Dashboard. Choose a simple icon and a neutral cover if you like, but keep the focus on clarity. This page will pull information from the rest of your workspace, so keep it tidy and intentional. Next, add sections for what you want to manage daily or weekly: tasks, goals, calendars, notes, or project tracking. Use clear headings so each area stands out. Under tasks, you might want a concise list for today and this week. In goals, reserve space for quarterly or monthly targets. A calendar section should show upcoming deadlines or events. Notes can house quick ideas or meeting summaries. Project tracking is perfect for active initiatives that need regular check-ins. To make your dashboard truly useful, insert linked databases to display information from other pages. Use the Create Linked Database option and search for the databases you already use, like tasks or projects. Choose the right view: table, board, list, or calendar. Then filter to show only what matters, such as tasks due this week or projects marked as priority. Sort by due date or status, and hide properties you don't need to see every day. This keeps the dashboard focused and reduces noise. Organize the layout with columns, headings, and dividers. Drag blocks side by side to create 2 or 3 columns, placing the most important information on the left. Use headings to label each section clearly, and add dividers to visually separate areas. The goal is an at-a-glance layout where your eyes know exactly where to go. For faster navigation, add widgets, quick links, or embedded tools. Use the Embed option to bring in calendars, documents, or simple web-based widgets that help you check the time, weather, or a specific page you reference often. Add quick links to your most used pages, like your main tasks database, a resources page, or a project hub, so you're never more than a click away. Finally, customize the dashboard regularly to match your workflow and priorities. Revisit it weekly. Rearrange sections as your focus shifts. Tweak filters to highlight what's urgent, and archive or hide what you no longer need. Your dashboard should evolve with you, staying lean, relevant, and genuinely helpful.